Yeah, there are some wonderful apps that can help you as a small YouTuber or as a content creator, not just only small YouTubers. Yes, there are so many of them that you can use. So I know that so many people have a lot of apps they are not using in their own phone. So why will you occupy, your phone with a lot of apps that is or cannot help you in your content creation? So I'm going to mention the major apps that you need in your in your phone as a content creator that can help you build your channel and give you a top notch. One is CapCut. Yes, CapCut is your go-to when it comes to video editing. Don't joke with CapCut. CapCut will give you everything that you need for your editing. Yeah, some people love using InShot and other ones, and is it female or something? Yeah, but me, I prefer as it is user friendly, and anytime I need it, but it don't give me any stress. How to split your videos, how to remove your background and change your background, how to put your music and every other thing, and CapCut can give you all that you need in editing your video, both in filter and all that. Yeah, the second one is Canva. I've been using Canva even when I wasn't a content creator. Canva is very, very good and user friendly. So I use Canva anytime, maybe during Christmas, previous Christmas, I use it to design our family, pictures and Christmas wishes that I will share with family and friends. So Canva will give you what you need for your thumbnails and everything. So if you don't want to use, Canva, there are other, you know, apps there, but this one is a major one that that can give you. They have templates already, a lot of free templates you can use, even if you are not someone that doesn't know how to edit or create a thumbnail. You can use the one that already the free no, template there, and then remove the picture that is there and replace it with yours, remove the background, reduce the color, and make it your own text without stress. So Canva is going to give you that for your thumbnail. So some people use a thumbnail maker, but when I tried it, it wasn't that user friendly, and they always have their watermark on it, so I wasn't finding it funny. So Canva has, it has been it for me, from the very beginning. Then the third one is, if you're a YouTube, content creator, I don't know why you don't have a YouTube studio in your phone. Yeah, for easy access. If it's not every time that you'll be going to your desktop studio, so you need to have YouTube Studio app in your phone, so that anytime you can use it to track or check the video, the way your video is it video quality? It's not video quality. The way your video is performing, and anytime you post your video, to check your analytics, to check your audience, to check your revenue for those that are monetized. The next one is Video Q for you to check your keywords. Before yes, you can still get the free version of it for you to check the keywords, the tags that is good for your channels, for you to also check a lot of things, search it on, they keep updating their app, and it's becoming more sweet to use, or more good to use, if I may use that word. So they can check your video performance before you can make it public and all that, so you can still make use of the free version if you don't have the money to pay for it. And then the last one is, or not the last one, the last one on the list that I'm sharing is Chat GPT. Yeah, if you're the type that you find it difficult to write your script, you find it difficult to get ideas on how you can write your description, you find it difficult to get idea on how you can coin out your title, Chat GPT is your go-to anytime. So make sure you have these apps that I mentioned. I think I've mentioned five already, and I know these five are the major ones. So any other app that you have in your phone that you're not using and is occupying space, just delete it. It's, remember, we are still in the midst of, or in the spirit of Vlogmas. Make sure you're posting your content. Make sure you are involved in the Vlogmas. You have heard, I don't know if you have seen the video I created on how someone was able to make, $3 in 2 days from 9 views, not even up to 20 views. So it's possible for you to make a lot of money out of Vlogmas if you are monetized. And if you're not monetized, people can watch your video, you can get watch hour, you can get subscribers and every other thing. So make sure you make use of it. And if it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your family and friends. And then don't forget to join my membership and for you to enjoy the exclusive perk I have. See you in my next video. Yeah.